Can you see the waterfalls? What's up everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now we are at Tegenungan Waterfalls in Bali. From outside, from far, it looks much prettier, awesome. So let's go.
I take pictures of my back up. Guys! So finally, I am at the waterfall. I don't know, I can't even properly pronounce the name. Tegenungan, whatever it is. But still I have reached. Now let's see some amazing footage. So finally my journey is about to end for today only. Rest day after tomorrow, and tomorrow is also there. So we are going back to hotel right now. So till now, that is it. I hope you like my video, and especially the drone shots. If you like the drone shots, please let me know in the comment section. And till then, bye bye everyone, and please like my channel, subscribe, share. Till then, tata. Just look at my condition.